Hello, let's discuss palindrome score question from today's Codechef contest. Alice has three types of characters A, B, C. She is given exactly X copies of A, Y copies of B, and Z copies of C. Alice must use all these characters to form a string. She is free to arrange the characters in any order. After Alice forms her string, Bob makes a move. Bob will choose a character from ABC and delete all its occurrences from the string. Alice's score is to find the maximum longest palindrome subsequence of the string after Bob's deletion. Both players play optimally, so Alice's goal is to arrange maximum score, and Bob's score is to get the least score possible. Find the maximum achievable score for both. The values of x, y, z are less than or equal to 10, and for example, if a is equal to 3, b is equal to 0, c is equal to 0, Alice can make only triple A, and he will remove all. Bob will remove all occurrences of A, and final answer is 0. So the answer is 0. So let's assume that Alice made some string with letters ABC. So let that string be S and that string with letters ABC. So finally, after Bob's operation, the final string will contain only A or B, or only A or C, or only B or C, because he will remove A or B or C. So after removing, the final string will be of only two letters AB, AC, or BC. So let's assume that though the set of letters is different, the method is same. Because if we try to get some idea for set A and B, we can find same method for AC and BC based on the count. So though the set of letters are different, method is same. So let's assume that the final string consists of AB. So Bob removed letter C from the whole string. So if the string has 3 and 4B, Alice can rearrange in the form because B is even. So he can try to make it a whole palindrome. So initially B by 2 and finally B by 2. And as A is odd, he can try to fill all A in the middle. So even if A is even, it can be a palindrome, and even if A is odd, it can be palindrome because odd length can be made as palindrome with a middle character. So for 3A, 4B, we can use all the characters to make final palindrome. And for example, let's take 4A, 3B, and similarly exactly this A by 2 half and A by 2, and in each middle the all are B. So even here we can use all characters, and now if all are even, we can use B middle and A in the end, or reverse. So even here as well we can use the total length. But if both are odd, for example if 3 and 3B, we have to reduce at least one character because we can only try to use a odd in the middle so that we can use an even here. So both are odd, so we cannot use A and B because it is not a palindrome. So we can use only 3B's in the middle, 1A and 1A, or 3A's in the middle, 1B, 1B. So I would reduce an either A or B. So the final answer will be sum minus 1. Because if both are odd, we cannot satisfy the condition that both should be palindrome. So Bob will try to minimize the final score. So Alice have three possible. Bob has three possibilities that he can remove A or B or C. So he will try to get the least answer of all, so that he will try to maintain his goal. So final will be minimum of the answer of AB, the answer of BC, the answer of AC. Because if he removes C, it will be this, and if he removes A, this, and if he removes B, it is this. So we are inputting ABC, and we are finally printing the minimum of all. So what this function will return? This will return this one. If both are odd, it will reduce the count, and if it is not the case, then it will return the sum of both. So if both are odd, and answer will be x plus 1 minus 1, and if it is not, it is x plus 5. So written answer. So hope you understand this. If you have any doubts, comment below. See you in the next video.